welcome to this program. And today we are going to discuss about the answer key for the group theory and spectroscopy for the question 51 to 100. Question number 51. In the F19 NMR spectrum of BF5, the number of signals and multiplicity at room temperatures are A. 1 singlet, B. 1 doublet, C. 2 doublet, D. 2 singlet. The correct answer is B. 1 doublet. At room temperature, all the fluorine atom will be equivalent due to rapid interconversion of axial and equatorial fluorine, and it gives a doublet in F19 NMR spectrum. There is an interaction between the spin of the phosphorus with the spin of the fluorine, and it gives one doublet in F19 NMR spectrum. 52. The vibrational energy levels nu double bond is equal to 0 and nu dash is equal to 1 of a diatomic molecules are separated by 2143 centimeter per minus 1, and its anharmonic constant omega E in the Xe is 14 centimeter per minus 1. The value of omega E in centimeter per minus 1 and the first overtone in centimeter per minus 1 of the molecule are respectively. The correct answer is D. 2157 centimeter per minus 1 and 4286 centimeter per minus 1. The explanation is given below. From nu dash 0 to 1, that will be equal to omega E minus 2 omega E in the Xe. According to the given, for the first transition, the vibrational frequency is 2143. That will be equal to omega E for into, and this is anharmonic constant is 14. 2 into 14 is it gives omega E bar will be equal to 2171 centimeter per minus 1. And for the first overtone, nu bar equal to 0 to 2 will be equal to 2 omega E bar minus 6 omega E bar in the Xe. You substitute the value of omega E bar and Xe, you will get 2 into 2171 minus 6 into 14, that will be equal to 4258 centimeter per minus 1. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is D. 2171 and 4258 centimeter per minus 1. The correct answer is D. 3. An organic compound having the molecular formula C15H15O exhibit the following HNMR and C13 NMR spectra. The data for HNMR spectra: 2.4 delta singlet, 7.2 doublet, 7.7 doublet, and C13 NMR 21 delta, 129 delta, 130 delta, 136 delta, 141 delta, and 190 delta. And here there are 3 signals in NMR spectroscopy, and the value of 7.2 doublet and 7.7 doublet indicates the presence of the benzene ring present in the compound. For this, the correct answer is D. The explanation is given in the next slide. The double bond equivalent will be equal to number of carbon plus 1, 15 plus 1, minus number of hydrogen by 2, 14 by 2, that will be equal to 9. The double bond equivalent will be equal to 9. It shows the compound contains 7 double bond and 2 ring. And 2.4 pm singlet indicates the presence of stage 3 group. 7.2 ppm doublet and 7.7 ppm doublet shows the presence of aromatic ring with para substituted compound. And C13 NMR singlet indicates the presence of the carbonyl group in this compound. Therefore, the correct structure of the compound is given below, and the compound is D. Number 54. In the 400 MHz HNMR spectrum of organic compound exhibit a doublet. The two lines of the doublet area are at 2.35 delta and 2.38 delta respectively. The coupling constant J value for this compound. The coupling constant J will be equal to 2.38 minus 2.35. This is multiplied by 400. The difference between the two peak is multiplied by 400. That will be equal to 0.03 into 400. That will be equal to 12 hertz. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is 12 hertz D. 55. The total number of fine and hyperfine EPR lines expected for octahedral high spin Mn2 complexes respectively. The I will be equal to 5 by 2 for manganese. Here the correct answer is C, 5 and 13. The number of fine lines will be equal to the number of unpaired electron in manganese. The number of unpaired electron in manganese is 5. Therefore, the number of fine lines will be equal to 5. The number of hyperfine splitting will be equal to 5 into 2 Ni plus 1. That will be equal to 2 into 1 into 5 by 2 plus 1, which is comes around 5 into 60, 5 into 6, that will be equal to 30. The correct answer is 30. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is C, 5 and 30. Question number 56. The vibrational spectrum of CO2, the number of fundamental vibration modes common in both infrared and Raman spectra are. Here you have to consider if a molecule possesses center of symmetry, the vibrations which are IR active are Raman inactive, and so the number of fundamental and vibrational modes common in both IR and Raman are 0. There is no vibration is common in both IR and Raman. Therefore, the correct answer for the question is D, 0. Number 57. An organic compound C3H7NO exhibit the following NMR signal at 293 Kelvin. NMR 7.8 delta 1H singlet and 2.8 3H singlet, 2.6 3H singlet the compound is. Here the correct answer is A. Here you have to note that the signal at 7.8 delta 1H represent HA, and for Me2 there are two methyl protons are different. One gives signal at 2.8 3H delta and another at 2.6 delta 3H singlet. Therefore, the correct structure for this compound is A. 58. Find out the number of lines in the P31 NMR spectrum for. Here we already discussed. The correct answer is D, 90. And for hydrogen atom, the spin IH will be equal to half. For nitrogen 15, INH15 will be equal to half, and spin of IF, that will be equal to R. You substitute this value, the number of lines will be equal to, first there are 4 hydrogen, that is 2 into 4 into 1, 1 by 2 plus 1, 2 into 4 into 1 by 2 plus 1. This is for 4 hydrogen. The next for nitrogen, there are 2 nitrogen, 2 into 1 into half plus 1 plus into, there are 2 fluorine, 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1, and there are another 1 hydrogen, 2 into 1 into half plus 1. You multiply it, it comes around 90. The number of lines expected for the P13 NMR spectrum of this compound is D90. Here important point is noted. The spin of N15 is equal to half. The spin of N14 is equal to 1. Here they specifically indicate the N15, nitrogen 15. Therefore, the spin will be equal to half. The 59. The ratio of relative intensity of carbon signal in the first order C13 NMR spectrum of CD3Cl. The correct answer is D, 1 is to 3 is to 6 is to 7 is to 6 is to 3 is to 1. Here the spin of id will be equal to 1. The number of lines will be equal to 2 into number of deuterium atom is 3. 2 into 3 into 1 plus 1, that will be equal to 7 line with a relative intensity of 1 is to 3 is to 6 is to 7 is to 6 is to 3 is to 1. Here we cannot expect normal spin splitting here the spin, because the spin equal to of 1. The spin equal to 1. Normal type of splitting is not expected if the spin of the nucleus is more than half. Question number 60. The selection rule for EPR spectrum is, the correct answer is B. Delta ms, this will be equal to plus or minus 1. Delta mi will be equal to 0, and this is the selection rule for EPR spectrum. The correct answer is B. The electric dipole allowed transition among the following is, here you have to consider the selection rule. For electronic transition, the selection rule is delta S equal to 0 and delta L will be equal to plus or minus 1. For the transition S3 to P3, the delta S will be equal to 0 and delta L will be equal to plus or minus 1. For S, L equal to 0 and for P, L equal to 1. Therefore, delta L will be equal to plus or minus 1. The selection rule is obeyed by this transition S3 to P3. The correct answer is B. 62. The nuclear G factor of H1 and N14 are 5.6 and 0.40 respectively. If the magnetic field in NMR spectrometer is set such that the proton at 700 MHz and N14 nucleus would resonance, the correct answer is D, 50 MHz. Here the W will be directly proportional to G into beta 0. You substitute W1 by W2 are equal to G1 by G2, and W1 will be equal to W2 into G1 by G2, that will be equal to 700 0.40 divided by 5.6, that will be equal to 50 Hz. Here the vibrational frequency is directly proportional to G and B0. The B0 is constant on both sides, therefore the omega, we can say the omega is directly proportional to the splitting factor G. The correct answer for the question is D. Question number 63. The spectroscopic technique by which the ground state dissociation energy of diatomic molecule can be estimated. 1 by microwave spectroscopy, B IR spectroscopy, C UV visible spectroscopy, D X-ray spectroscopy. The correct answer is B IR spectroscopy. By using IR spectroscopy, we can determine the ground state dissociation energy of diatomic molecule. We can estimate the dissociation energy of the diatomic molecule. 64. A number of chemical shift non-equivalent proton expected in HNMR spectrum of alpha finite. Here you look the structure, you can expect 10 signal for this alpha finite, and it is represented as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can expect 10 signal for this compound. The correct answer is D. The signal is indicated in the figure. Question number 65. In the UV visible absorption spectrum of an alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound with increasing solvent polarity, A, N to pi star transition undergo hypsochromic shift and pi to pi star transition undergo pathochromic shift. The correct answer is A. N to pi star transition undergo hypsochromic shift and pi to pi star transition undergo that is pathochromic shift. here the n orbital, non-bonding orbital, is more stabilized than pi star orbital. On increasing polarity of the solvent, delta E increases, so the lambda decreases. On increasing the polarity of the solvent, pi star orbital is more stabilized than the pi orbital and delta E decreases and lambda value increases. That is bathochromic shift. One is hypsochromic shift, another one is bathochromic shift. Question number 66. The HNMR spectrum of an organic compound recorded a 500 Hertz spectrometer showed a quartet with a line position at 1759, 1753, 1747, 1741 Hertz. The chemical shift and coupling constant Hertz of the quartet are. The correct answer is A, 3.5 ppm and 6 Hertz. The chemical shift value, you have to take the average 1759 plus 1753 plus 1747 plus 1741 divided by 4, that give rise to 1750 by 4, that will be equal to 3.5 ppm. The coupling constant J will be equal to, you have to take the difference between the adjacent pk, 1747 minus 1741, that will be equal to 6 Hertz. The coupling constant is the difference between the two distance difference between the two adjacent pk. Therefore 6 Hertz is the correct answer. And for this question, the correct answer is A, chemical shift is 3.5 ppm and coupling constant is 6 Hertz. 67. Among the following, both microwave and rotational Raman active molecule is. The correct answer is B. N2O is microwave active as well as rotational Raman active because it is a linear molecule without center of symmetry. NNO. There is no center of symmetry is present. Therefore, it is microwave active and rotational Raman active. 68. In a 200 MHz NMR spectrometer, a molecule shows two doublet separated by 2 ppm. The observed coupling constant is 10 Hertz. The separation between the two signals and the coupling constant in a 600 MHz spectrometer will be. The correct answer is D, 1200 Hertz and 10 Hertz. Here, the coupling constant remained constant. Therefore, there is no change in the value. The observed coupling constant is 10 Hertz. Here also the coupling constant is 10 Hertz. The separation between the two signal, that will be equal to 2. The 2 is multiplied by 600, that will give 1200 Hertz. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is D. 60. The molecule that will show Raman spectrum but not IR spectrum among the molecule is. The correct answer is A, because H2O is homonuclear diatomic molecule and which do not change its dipole moment during the vibration, and it will be IR inactive. At the same time, it is Raman active due to the change in the polarizability of the molecule. The correct answer for this question is A. 70. The pair that contains a spherical top and symmetrical top among the following is. The correct answer is C, CH3Cl, CH4. The symmetric top molecule is CH3Cl. For that, Ia is equal to 0. Moment of inertia is equal to 0 on x-axis, and Ib, that will be equal to Ic. Iy is equal to Iz. For spherical top molecule for methane, all the moment of inertia are equal. Ia equal to Ib equal to Ic. Therefore, the correct answer for the question is C, CH3Cl and CH4. Number 71. In the pure Raman rotational spectrum of O16-2, whose electronic ground state is sigma G3 and transition to form, the even J values are missing, B odd J values are missing, C all the J levels are appear, and D none of this. The correct answer is A. To make a total wave function must be antisymmetric when the J values are odd, and while the levels are even, J will be missing. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is A. The number of lines in the EPR spectrum of CD3, which we have already discussed, that is here the I will be equal to 1. Therefore, 2 into 3 into 1 plus 1, that will be equal to 7. The correct answer for this question is C. Here the spin of D will be equal to 1. A symmetry of molecule among the following. The correct answer is B. Allene is the symmetric of molecule. For this, IA is not equal to IB, which is equal to IC. The correct answer is B. 74. The allowed electronic transition in fluorine molecule is. Here the correct answer is C. The selection rule, the delta equal to 0 plus or minus 1. Here you have to note G to G and U to U are forbidden. G to U is allowed. Plus to minus is forbidden. Plus to plus and minus to minus are allowed. According to this selection rule, C is the allowed transition. The correct answer is C. Assuming the harmonic approximation, the energy change of the reaction HCl plus D2 gives DCl plus H2 in C centimeter 1 is. For HCl, the harmonic energy is 2885, and for D2 the bond energy is 2990, DCl 1990, and HD 3627. From that we have to calculate the energy, that is energy change delta E for the reaction. Here delta E equal to EP minus ER, that will be equal to delta E equal to EDC plus EHD by 2 product, E minus EHCl plus ED2 divided by 2 reactant. You substitute the value of, that is EDCl, EHD, etc. in the equation. You will get 5617 by 2 minus 5875 by 2, that will be equal to 2808.5 minus 2937.5, that will be equal to minus 129 centimeter per minus 1. The correct answer is C for this question. 76. Consider the species NO, I2, I2 minus, Cu2 plus and VO2 plus. The number of paramagnetic species among them and EPR in active species respectively. Here the correct answer is B. Correct answer is B, 4 and I2. NO, I2 minus, Cu2 plus, VO2 plus are paramagnetic. Number 1. Hence they are EPR active. I2 is diamagnetic and the EPR inactive. Therefore, the paramagnetic molecule is 4 and EPR, that is I2 minus, is I2 is diamagnetic and which is EPR inactive. The correct answer is B. 77. Arrange the following molecules in order of increasing fundamental vibration frequency. Here the very important point is, as bond order increases, the stretching frequency increases. The bond order increases, the bond strength increases and the stretching frequency increases. You look the bond order, O2 plus 2.5 and O2 2 and O2 minus is 1.5 and O2 minus, that will be equal to 1. O2 2 minus, that will be equal to 1. So therefore the correct answer for this question is A. O2 2 minus, the bond order is 1. then O2 minus, the bond order is 1.5. O2, the bond order is 2, and O2 plus, the bond order is 2.5. This is the increasing order of the fundamental vibrational frequency. The correct answer is A. The very important point is the stretching frequency increases as the bond order increases. Question number 78. The structure corresponding to the NMR data of the compound with the molecular formula C5H12H10O2 is. Here this compound shows only 2 NMR spectra and one for 9H, that is 1.26 delta 9H, that indicate it may be a isopropyl group and tertiary butyl group. The second one is 12.0.56 1H broad, that indicates the presence of a carboxylic group, COH group, tertiary butyl group attached to the carboxylic group. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is C. The compound will give only 2 signals. 1.26 delta H shows the presence of CH3 thrice C, and 12.056 delta indicates the 1H indicates the presence of COH. The correct answer for this question is C, and you can also find out the double bond equivalent. The double bond equivalent is also is equal to 1. C double bond O, OH is equal to 1. 79. Choose the correct moment of inertia for water molecule. You know very well, H2O is asymmetric tough molecule. For that, Ix is not equal to Iy is not equal to Iz. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is B. Lxx not equal to Lyy is not equal to Lzz. 80. For a distance of a molecule AB, the energy of rotation transition J equal to 0 to J equal to 1 state is 3.9 cm per minus 1. The energy transition for J equal to 3 to J equal to 4 state would be. Here the correct answer is D, 15.6 cm per minus 1. For J equal to 0 to J equal to 1, delta E will be equal to 2B, and which is equal to 3.9 cm per minus 1. And for J equal to 3 to J equal to 4, the delta E will be equal to 8B, that is 3.9 is multiplied by 4, that will be equal to 15.6 cm. The correct answer is D, 15.6 cm per minus 1. 81. The number of translational, rotational and vibrational degree of freedom in CO2 molecules are respectively. The correct answer is C, 3, 2, 4. For all molecules, the translational degree of freedom is 3. For linear molecule, the rotational degree of freedom is 2. For linear molecule, the vibrational degree of freedom is 3n-5, which is equal to 3 into 3 minus 5, which will be equal to 4. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is C, 3, 2, 4. The selection rule for rotational vibrational Raman spectrum is. The correct answer is C. For vibrational spectrum, you know very well, delta nu will be equal to plus or minus 1. For rotational Raman spectrum, delta J will be equal to 0, plus or minus 2. Therefore, the selection rule for rotational vibrational Raman spectra is C, delta nu equal to plus or minus 1 and delta J equal to 0 plus or minus 2. Number 83. How many NMR spectral signal would be expected for parachloroanisole? Here the number of signal is 3. For CH3 group is 1 and aromatic proton 2 it gives one signal, and aromatic proton 3 it gives another signal. For this the compound gives 3 signal in NMR spectrum. The correct answer for this question is A. Identify the compound having the molecular formula C9H10O3 with the following spectral data. IR 3127 centimeter per minus 1, 2961, 1701, 816 centimeter per minus 1. And in HNMR spectrum, 12 delta 1H broad singlet, 7.2 and 6.8 each 2H doublet. Therefore, the one is, if you get a signal at 12H means it may be a carboxylic group. 7.2 delta and 6.2 delta for a doublet, it may be a pair of substituted compound. 3.8 singlet for 3H, that indicates CH3 group. 3.5 S2H, that indicate the CH2 group. Therefore, according to the first information, here a signal at 12 delta 1H broad singlet, presence of COOH carboxylic group. 7 and 6.8 delta, a doublet, indicates the presence of aromatic proton. 3.8 singlet 3H indicates the presence of COCH3 group, and 3.5 singlet for 2H indicates the presence of the CH2 group. The correct answer for this question is A. The spin quantum number for N14 nucleus, which I have discussed, for N15 the I will be equal to, spin quantum number will be equal to half. And here a very important point you have to note, for N14 nucleus the spin quantum number is equal to 1. And for this question, the spin quantum number for N15 nucleus is half. The correct answer is C. The number of ESR spectral lines are expected for anthracene radical is, here the correct answer is A. And here there are 4 type of protons are present. 3 type of proton. One is alpha proton, the another one is beta proton, and another one is gamma proton. Alpha 4 proton, beta 4 proton, gamma 2 proton. You substitute the value. The total number of lines is 2Ni plus 1, 2Ni dash plus 1, 2N double dash plus 1. That will be equal to 2 into 4 into half plus 1, 2 into 2 into half plus 1, and 2 into 4 into half plus 1. That will be equal to 5 into 3 into 5. That will be equal to 75. The correct answer is A. 87. Which one of the following transition correspond to delta J will be equal to 0? Just you look that the number given in the subscript, it should be equal to J. The term in term symbol is represented as Sj 2s plus 1. The upper part is spin permittivity, the lower one is J value. For the transition S half to P half, both having J equal to half, therefore delta J will be equal to 0. The correct answer for this question is D. 88. In CO2 molecule, the degenerate fundamental vibrations are A. Symmetric stretching and asymmetric stretching, B. In plane bending and out of the plane bending, C. Symmetric stretching and out of the plane bending, D. Asymmetric stretching and out of the plane bending. Here the correct answer is B. In general, the bending vibrations are degenerate fundamental vibrations. Therefore, for in CO2 molecule, in plane bending and out of plane bendings are degenerate vibration. The correct answer is B. 89. Arrange the following compound in the increasing order of wave number absorption due to carbonyl group. Here 4 compounds are given: cyclohexanone, cyclopentanone, cyclobutanone and cyclopropanone. And here, as the bond angle decreases and the vibrational frequency increases, the correct answer is B. The first one is, the lowest one is cyclohexanone. The next one is cyclopentanone. The third one is cyclobutanone. The fourth one is cyclopropanone. For cyclohexanone, the vibrational frequency is 1715 cm per minus 1. Cyclobutanone 1745 cm per minus 1. Cyclobutanone 1780 cm per minus 1. And cyclopropanone 1855 cm per minus 1. Here, if the angle between the carbonyl group decreases, that will become more strained and the vibrational frequency increases. That is the correct answer for this question. Therefore, the correct answer is B. 90. In the H-NMR spectrum of diethyl ether, the signal due to methylene proton appears at. The correct answer is B, a quartet at 3.5 delta. In diethyl ether CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3, the methylene proton CH2 gives a quartet at 3.5 delta. A compound shows an NMR peak at 240 Hz downfield from TMS peak in a spectrometer operating at 60 Hz. The chemical shift value. Here the chemical shift is delta nu divided by operating frequency in megahertz into 10 to the power of 6 ppm. The difference is 240. The 240 divided by 60 into 10 to the power of 6 into 10 to the power of 6. 10 to the power of 6, 10 to the power of 6 are cancelled. 240 divided by 60, that will be equal to 4 ppm. Therefore, the correct answer for the question is D. 92. Which one of the following will not show ESR spectrum? The correct answer is C. There is no unpaired electron present in N2 molecule, so it is ESR inactive. N2 is ESR inactive. The correct answer is C. 93. What is bathochromic shift? A. Shift of lambda max to longer wavelength. B. Shift of lambda max to shorter wavelength. C. Increasing in the intensity of absorption band. D. Decrease in the intensity of absorption band. Here the correct answer is A. Shift of lambda max to longer wavelength. The correct answer is A. The increasing of lambda max of the following compound is 1,3-butadiene, 2, 2,3 dimethyl 1,3-butadiene, 3, 1,3 cyclohexadiene, 4, 1,3 cyclopentadiene. The correct answer is B. For 1,3-butadiene, the lambda max will be equal to 215 nanometer, and for 2 you consider here 2,3 dimethyl 1,3 butadiene, the lambda max value will be equal to 225 nanometer, and for 1,3 cyclohexadiene, the lambda max is 253 nanometer, and for 1,3 cyclopentadiene, it is also 252 nanometer, really 253 nanometer. Therefore, the correct answer for this question is B. 1 lowest, 2 higher, then 4, then 3. Give the number of NMR signal for the following compound. For the compound 1, all the protons are equivalent. It gives only one signal. For the compound 2, there are 3 types of proton: H1, H2, H3. Therefore, this compound gives 3 signal. And for the compound 3, and there are 4 types of protons are present: CH3, H1, H2, H3 and H4. Therefore, the compound C gives 4 signal. The correct answer for the question is C, 1, 3, 4. Compound 1 gives 1 signal, compound 2 gives 3 signal, and compound 4 gives 4 signal. 96. An organic compound with a molecular formula C6H12O2 shows an intense absorption at 1750 cm per -1 in IR, and in HNMR shows 2 singlet at 0.98 delta for 9H and 3.78 delta for 3H. In the mass spectrum of a molecular ion appear at 116 and the base peak at Me85, the unknown compound is. And here there is a peak for 9H and there is a peak for 3H. You can expect 2 signal. Therefore, the answer may be A or B. Option C and D are not correct. One due to methyl group and another due to trimethyl group. And here for tertiary butyl group appear at 3.78 delta, that indicates it is attached to carbonyl group. Therefore, the correct structure of this compound is B. CH3 thrice C, COOCH3. That is the correct answer. Compound B is the correct structure for this problem. 97. Which of the solvent is used to get a gas phase of a volatile compound by UV visible spectroscopy? A. Water, B. Ethanol, C. Methanol, D. Hexane. The correct answer is hexane. D. In ESR spectroscopy, an unpaired electron in a magnetic field of 0.33 delta, given that G will be equal to 2 and mu will be equal to 9.273 into 10 to the power minus 24 joules Tesla. Here the vibration frequency is the ESR frequency of unpaired electron, nu will be equal to GE beta B H0 by H. You substitute it 2 into beta will be equal to 9.273 into 10 to the power minus 24 and H0 will be equal to 0.33 delta divided by Planck's constant 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34, which is comes around 9000 into 10 to the power 6 centimeter per minus 1 or 9000 into 10 to the power 6 hertz or 9000 megahertz or 9.00 GHz. The correct answer is A, 9000 megahertz. It is a simple problem related to ESR spectroscopy, and this type of problem is repeatedly asked in GAT and CSR. Question number 99. In IR spectrum of a compound C3H6O shows a significant peak only in 3600 cm per minus 1 and 1200 cm per minus 1. The structure is, the correct structure is C. And for OH, you can expect a peak at 3600 cm per minus 1, and for the bending vibration 1200 cm per minus 1. The compounds give 2 peak in IR spectrum. Therefore, the correct structure of the compound is C. The number of IR active vibrational modes in pyridine. The correct answer is 24. For nonlinear molecule, you can expect a 3 n-6 vibrational modes, and therefore 3 into 11, there are 11 atoms are present in pyridine, 3 into C5, H5, N. Therefore 11, 3 into 11 minus 6, 27 vibrational modes are expected, and 3 vibrational modes are inactive. Therefore the number of IR active vibrational modes in pyridine is 24. The correct answer is C.